Hi students, this is my 10th video on trigonometry. In this video, I am going to explain one of the important problem in 5 different methods. See, what is the problem? If cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So all of you watch these different 5 methods. Okay, you can follow whichever the method is easy for you. Okay, see, before solving this problem, just 1 minute problem I am going to solve. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, then what is secant theta minus tan theta? If you see this one, secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta, you have to get one formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So in that way, here also we are having identity. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is identity. Okay, algebraic identity. Here trigonometric identity is what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. This is trigonometric identity. This is in the form of secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, we are trying. Okay, equal to 1. Okay, a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Like that. Secant theta minus tan theta is what? P. P into secant theta minus tan theta is 1. Transpose p to right side. So secant theta minus tan theta is what? 1 by p. So if secant theta plus tan theta is p, we are getting secant theta minus tan theta 1 by p. Say actually a into 1 by a, answer is 1. These two are reciprocals. A reciprocal is 1 by a. 1 by a reciprocal is a. Okay, multiplicate inverse to each other. Like that here also, secant theta plus tan theta equal to p. Its reciprocal is secant theta minus tan theta. That's why its answer is 1 by p. Similarly here also they are given cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. First we will find its conjugate, means cosecant theta minus cot theta, its reciprocal. We will get 1 by k. In that way I am solving first method. Okay. So what is the identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. See, first method given, I am writing once again, cosecant theta plus cot theta is what? K. I am taking this one as first equation. Now we know the identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. This is the identity. I am writing this one as cosecant theta plus cot theta into, once again, cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. Substitute here, cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Okay, k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. Transpose k to right side. We will get cosecant theta minus cot theta is what? 1 by k. Okay, I am taking this one as second equation. So cosecant theta plus cot theta is k, means cosecant theta minus cot theta, we are getting 1 by k. So these two are also reciprocals to each other. Okay, right. Now I am adding these two equations. Equation 1 plus 2 I am doing. Okay, so what is first equation? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. That is first equation. Now cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1 by k, second equation. Do addition here. Okay, no change in symbol. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta, we will get 2 times of cosecant theta. Here cot theta cancel. Here k plus 1 by k. Okay. Now we will do one more thing. Cosecant theta is what here? 2 times cosecant theta equal to, first we will take LCM here. K into k, k square plus k, one time it is going 1. Okay, 2 times cosecant theta we are getting k square plus 1 by k. So cosecant theta is what? Transpose to also right side. It will go in the denominator. K square plus 1 by 2k. Okay, now I am taking this one as third equation. Cosecant theta. Now equation 1 minus 2 I am doing. What is first equation? Once again I am writing. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Now second one, cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1 by k. So doing subtraction here. Here subtraction means symbol will change. Okay. So cosecant cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta we will get here 2 times cot theta. K denominator is here 1 by k. Okay, minus is there. Minus 1 by k here. Here also same is k. k square, k one time it is going 1. Okay, 2 times cot theta, what we are getting? K square minus 1 by k, transpose to RHS. So we will get cot theta is what? K square minus 1 by 2k. Now I am taking this one as fourth equation. So equation 1 and 2, what we are getting? Cosecant theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Equation 1 minus 2, we are getting cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Equation 3, equation 4, if you observe these two equations, we have to get actually cos theta. Cot theta by cosecant theta. What is cot theta by cosecant theta? Cot means cos by sine, by cosecant means 1 by sine. Sine cancel, we will get cos theta. So what I am doing here? Equation 4 divided by equation 3 I am writing. What is equation 4? Cot theta, okay, equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Here by third one. What is third one? Cosecant theta. So LHS side, cot theta by cosecant theta. RHS side, k square minus 1 by 2k by k square plus 1 by 2k. K square plus 1 by 2k. Here see denominator 2k, denominator 2k cancel. Because if you write this one, k square minus 1 by 2k, you have to write into 2k by k square plus 1. Like that. Okay, 2k automatically cancel. Here cot theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. Okay, by cosecant theta means what? 1 by sin theta. Reciprocal. Cosecant reciprocal is sin. Okay, so 1 by sin theta. Equal to what? Here we are getting k square minus 1 by numerator. K square plus 1 is denominator. Okay. Here sin cancel. Here also, if you write into means sin theta by 1. So then also sin cancel. Finally, we are getting simply cos theta. What is cos theta? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. In this way, first method. Now we will solve second method. We have to solve cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. In second method, I am taking first RHS. Okay. What is RHS? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay. Now finally we will show that is equal to LHS, cos theta. Now, what is k here? Cosecant theta plus cot theta, that is k. Okay. Whole square minus 1 by, once again k square plus 1. Right, once again k means cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, square is there, so whole square plus 1. Okay, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. I entered k value here. Okay, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Like that I am writing. That equal to cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 is there by, once again a plus b whole square. Cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. Okay, here minus 1, here plus 1. Only that is the difference here. Now what you have to think here? We have to cancel minus 1 in the numerator. For that you see here, what is cosecant square theta? It is 1 plus cot square theta. We know that identity. Cosecant square theta is what? 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Plus, once again cot square theta is there. Plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 whole divided by, here plus 1 we have to cancel. For that you see here, what is cot square theta? It is cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, so first write cosecant square theta as it is, plus here cot square theta I am writing as cosecant square theta minus 1. Now as it is this 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. Okay, so in the numerator 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. In the denominator, cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. We are getting these two from one identity. I am writing that identity here. Since cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, I am writing this identity. Okay, we can write this identity in 3 ways. So you send cot square theta to right side, 1 plus cot square theta, that is. Okay, I am writing here like that only, 1 plus cot square theta instead of cosecant square theta. Okay. Now here, what is cot square theta? You send cot square theta right side and bring 1 to LHS. So what is cot square theta? Cosecant square theta minus 1. I have written like this only. Okay, cot square theta means cosecant theta minus 1. Now what is happening here? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel in the numerator. and here also minus 1 plus 1 cancel in the denominator. Now cot square theta plus cot square theta, how much we are getting? 2 times cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Okay, by denominator cosecant square plus cosecant square, 2 times cosecant square theta plus once again 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Okay, cosecant square 2 times cosecant theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. See here in the numerator 2 is there common. Okay, in both terms 2 is there. Here cos square theta, here cot theta is there. So I am taking cot theta also as common. 2 cot theta coming outside. So still cot theta is there. Plus here 2 cot theta is coming outside. Only cosecant theta is there. By denominator also 2 common and also cosecant theta in both terms. So I am taking 2 cosecant theta as common. One more cosecant theta is there. So right here cosecant theta plus here 2 cosecant theta is outside. So cot theta is there. Here also in the numerator cot theta plus cosecant theta, once again in the denominator cosecant theta plus cot theta, both are same values, so cancel these two. Okay. Now here also 2 cancel. What we are getting? Cot theta by cosecant theta. What we are getting? Cot theta numerator, cosecant theta in the denominator. You know, in the previous method also we have done finally this thing only. So numerator I am writing as cos theta by sin theta by cosecant theta, its reciprocal 1 by sin theta. Okay, see here I am writing cos theta by sin theta numerator. Okay, this denominator we can write in reciprocal way. So sin theta by 1. Okay, sin theta cancel. What you are getting here? Simply cos theta. This is nothing but LHS. So in the second method I solved by taking RHS in the beginning and substituting K value. Finally we are getting LHS. Okay, I am solving third method. Here I am taking as this. What is the given condition? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is K. Okay. Now change cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta. This is reciprocal. Okay. Cosecant reciprocal is sin theta. So cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is what? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Equal to K. Now take LCM as sin theta. Sin theta is going one time. 1 into 1, 1 plus sin theta one time. 1 into cos theta. Equal to what? K. Okay. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So here 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Right side also K square. Okay, squaring on both sides. Numerator I am writing as 1 plus cos theta whole square. Denominator separately I am writing sin square theta equal to K square. Okay. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. This is the identity. So what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So here I will change like that. 1 plus cos theta whole square numerator by denominator I am writing as 1 minus cos square theta equal to what? K square. See, numerator I am writing 2 times. 1 plus cos theta into once again 1 plus cos theta by, see, denominator 1 minus cos square theta. 1 square minus cos square theta. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. According to that, this one is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here numerator 1 plus cos, denominator 1 plus cos cancel. Okay, this equal to what? K square. Now we are having 1 plus cos theta, once again I am writing, by 1 minus cos theta equal to what? K square. Okay, send 1 minus cos theta RHS side. 1 plus cos theta equal to K square into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta equal to K square into 1 K square minus K square into cos theta. Okay, now bring K square cos theta towards LHS. Send 1 to right side. Okay, so here I am writing cos theta plus this one is K square cos theta. Okay, this minus will come as plus here. Right side K square is there. Now send 1 to RHS, that is minus 1. Now here take cos theta as common. Still 1 is there. Cos theta 1 time. Okay, plus here cos theta is outside. So only K square is there. Equal to what? K square minus 1. So therefore, what is cos theta here? K square minus 1 by this will go to downside. 1 plus k square or k square plus 1. Both are same. Okay. Yes, this is the answer. So cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Third method completed. Now I am continuing fourth method. See, what is the given condition? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Okay, we know the identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. This is the identity. So once again I am writing this one as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. Substitute value cosecant theta plus cot theta is k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. So what is cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1 by k. Okay, transpose k to RHS. So given equation is 1. This is second equation. Now adding equations 1 plus 2 I am doing. Okay. So once again I am writing cosecant theta plus cot theta. This is k. Now cosecant theta minus cot theta, it is 1 by k. Doing addition. 2 times cosecant theta here. Okay. Cot theta cancel. Here k plus 1 by k. Okay. So 2 times cosecant theta. I am taking here LCM k. K into k square. Plus k one time it is. So 1 into 1 1. Now what is cosecant theta here? So transpose 2 also to RHS. K square plus 1 by 2k. Okay. I am sending 2 also to right side. So what is cosecant theta? It is hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay. Hypotenuse by opposite is cosecant theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Its reciprocal is cosecant theta. Now draw one right angle triangle. Write as ABC triangle. This is now taking A as theta. So cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is here k square plus 1. So hypotenuse opposite to 90. It is k square plus 1. Now opposite is 2k. Opposite of theta. It is 2k. Now we don't know AB value. We have to find AB. If we find AB, then cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. In that way we will get the answer. So to find AB value in right angle triangle, we will use Pythagoras law. So according to Pythagoras law. So I am using Pythagoras law. What is Pythagoras law? AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is AC square. AB square we don't know, right? AB square plus BC square, it is 2k whole square. BC is what? 2k. So AC is what? K square plus 1 whole square. AC square means. So AB square plus 2k square means it is 4k square equal to here A plus B whole square formula. So k to the power of 4 plus 2 into k square into 1, it is 2k square plus 1 square, it is 1. Okay. Now send 4k square to RHS. AB square equal to k to the power of 4 plus 2k square plus 1 is there right side, right as it is. 4k square transpose to RHS, that is minus 4k square. Simplify this. K to the power of 4 plus 2k square minus 4k square. Minus is more. So put minus symbol, 2k square minus 2k square plus 1 is there. Okay. This is AB square. So once again I am writing AB square equal to, see here, k square whole square, 1 square minus 2 into k square into 1. So what is this one? K square minus 1 whole square this is. Okay. So k square plus 1 whole square is what? K to the power of 4 plus 2k square plus 1. So k square minus whole square is what? K to the power of 4 minus 2k square plus 1. Observe these two. Okay. This is k square plus 1 whole square. And this is k square minus 1 whole square. So what is AB then? Root of k square minus 1 whole square. Okay. Here root and this square both will be cancelled. We are getting simply k square minus 1. So what is AB? K square minus 1. This is nothing but adjacent side. Okay. In this triangle it is adjacent. We are getting this is k square minus 1. So now therefore cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? K square minus 1 by hypotenuse is what? K square plus 1. This is the answer. K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Okay. Now final method, fifth method. It is similar to fourth method. So up to here we can keep as this. What we are getting here, cosecant theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. So this is hypotenuse by opposite. Now reciprocal of cosecant is sin theta. So I am writing here sin theta is what? 2k by k square plus 1. 2k by k square plus 1. Okay. So reciprocal of cosecant theta is sin theta. Now we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That implies what is cos square theta? It is 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So here cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin theta we know 2k by k square plus 1 whole square this. Okay, simplify this. 1 minus this is what 2k whole square by this denominator k square plus 1 whole square. Okay, now take LCM as k square plus 1 whole square. K square plus 1 whole square as it is here we can write k square plus 1 whole square minus here 2k whole square is there 2k whole square. So cos square theta equal to numerator k to the power of 4 plus 2k square plus 1. This is a plus b whole square formula. Minus 4k square is there. Here 2k whole square means 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. So numerator we can write like this. K to the power of 4 minus 2k square. If you simplify this two, we will get minus 2k square plus 1 by k square plus 1 whole square. So numerator is in the form of k square minus 1 whole square formula. This is okay by k square plus 1 whole square. This is what cos square theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta means root of k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. This is what root and square cancel. So we will get k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So what is cos theta? Therefore cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the answer. So in this way we can solve this problem in 5 different methods. Okay, right. If you like my videos, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.